What's up, guys? Today we're just going to do a quick follow-up of the Tommee Tippee Super Steam and Dry. So this is a steamer, sterilizer and dryer built into one. You get, what do you get? You get the main unit itself. You get a Tommee Tippee bottle, which we didn't use because the teat wasn't suitable for our baby. And you get the filters as well. So I'm just gonna move this aside. Okay, so it's a simple device. You just plug it in. Do I have power? And I'm just gonna turn this on. I won't. So there's the power button. Okay, we'll start from this one here, which has the A and like a semi cog and an arrow, and that's automatic. So what that does is it sterilizes and then it dries, and it takes about 40 minutes, 10 minutes to sterilize and then another 30 minutes to dry. This is the fan. This is when you've washed the bottles yourself and just need to dry them, just to have something for the baby that's dry, because a wet bottle can create mold on the bottle, which is really bad. And then this one is the sterilizer, and this just sterilizes it, and then you can just let it dry overnight by itself. What we mainly use is the automatic function, so sterilize and dry at the same time. So it has this main compartment, and oh yeah, this is the cup. You have to fill it up to this fill line and fill up the bottom of it. Now this has been used, but if you notice there is like a residue. What you need to do, I don't want to touch it because it's actually on. Let me just power this off. What you notice is a buildup of limescale. That's just because of the water that you have. Unless you use purified or distilled water, pure water without any chemicals, you won't get this, but we just use the cold tap running water. What you have to do to get rid of this is use lemon and vinegar, put it on a cloth and just wipe it down very thoroughly, and let that dry. Don't use that for a while. That's the con about cleaning this that way, because you don't want the vinegar or lemon residue to go through this plastic thing when you're sterilizing. Okay, so found that this one is really handy for the bottles. Now, just some advice: when you're putting bottles in here, try and have something where the airflow can come through to the top. Otherwise, anything up here won't get sterilized, won't get dried properly. For example, if you put the bottle with the bottle top on and it's closed, the bottle will just fill up and block whatever is up here. So what many put up here was the teats and the bottle caps and whatnot, and just mainly had the actual middle part of the bottle in there, and that worked a treat. Yeah, so the pros are it works very well, it's very handy. Having the dryer function is a godsend, because when you're, when you need bottles and you need them dry, it's horrible to use a towel and then there's all lint and stuff stuck to the bottle. Now the cons would be just trying to get it clean. It is very hard to clean thoroughly, as you can see. This was cleaned a while ago, but for some reason, whenever you use the sterilizer function with just normal tap water, it, what do you call that? Calcify, is it? Calcium buildup is quite significant on that. This requires a good clean. But other than that, I highly recommend this product. The only thing was that, do you see these bottles right here? Those bottles are not great. They're really hard to hold, and I wish they'd make some different bottles. What we ended up using was the MAM bottles, which are much longer, and I understand that these are supposed to simulate breastfeeding, but it's not ergonomic to feed because it's so roundy and bulky. When my wife was using it, she'd actually drop the bottle trying to get a grip with it because it's hard to grip. Yeah, but not related, but you do get a free one of those. So there we have it, guys. That is the Tommee Tippee Super Steam and Dry. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.